Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to uninstall software in Windows. Friends, as there are list of softwares in our computer and if due to some reason if you want to uninstall any software, then you need to click on startup menu. In startup menu, click on control panel. Now here you will find the option uninstall a program. Now here you will find all the software installed on your computer. You just need to select on that software you want to uninstall. For example, I need to uninstall VLC media player. So I just select it and click on uninstall oblique change. Click on next and click on uninstall. Now VLC media player is uninstalled from my computer. Click on finish. So friends, like this you can uninstall any software installed on your computer. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.